What's the meaning of black diamond? Black diamond. Black diamond.
Black diamond. Black diamond. The term black diamond can have a few different meanings depending on the context. One common use of the term is in reference to a type of gemstone that is black in color, often used in jewelry for a unique and elegant look. Another use of the term is in reference to a ski slope or trail that is exceptionally difficult and dangerous, often marked with a black diamond symbol. Additionally, black diamond can be used figuratively to describe something rare, valuable, and mysterious, such as an elusive quality in a person's personality or a rare and valuable commodity in the business world.